Hey guys, my name is Elijah and in this tutorial I will show you how to change offline screen on Twitch. First thing you will have to do is to click on your profile picture and then click on Creator Dashboard. Here, go to this left side panel and click on Settings. Now, as you can see, when these have been expanded, click on Channel. Now scroll all the way down and click on Brand. Go down and click on Update. Now upload your photo right here. And once your photo is uploaded, you will be able to see it right here. So press Save. Now go back to your channel. So back to Stream Manager. And here it is. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.